Okay, first, happy birthday, Grandpa.
Oh, you did not greet. Did you kiss Grandpa happy birthday? It's his birthday, but you got gifts.
Okay, I know. Beckett,
You can kiss Grandpa.
Beckett, hug Grandpa real quick.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday, Grandpa.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Okay, open your gift.
Open your gift
Okay,
now.
go lift up that blanket.
Okay, lift it up.
What's in there?
Open.
What's in there?
Look at Daddy. What is this?
What is it?
I wonder what it is.
What is it?
Oh,
What is it?
who was it?
What is it?
A battle and a truck.
What is it,
What's
Bex? Okay.
Grandma, open.
Okay, Grandpa will get it.
Oh, you face Grandpa.
Ow.
Daddy, you face your daddy. Like that.
What do you think, Weston?
Yeah, you face your daddy.
Make sure to give Grandma a hug. She got that for you.
I really
Okay.
deserve a hug. My golly.
Weston, Beckett, go. Go give Grandma a hug. Okay, Beckett.
You like it. You like it? You like it, my baby?
I know. Grandpa's getting
Grandpa is opening it.
some stuff for you guys. Okay, to open it. Is that cool?
That's big. Grandpa, open.
Oh, maybe. We'll see.
It's bigger than you.
It's huge.
Oh, wow.
No.
There's traffic here.
I could
There's
barely
traffic
carry
here.
it.
It's bigger than me.
Yeah.
It's bigger than me, Grandpa.
It's bigger than you.
Man, it's hard to get your faces. You guys keep turning.
Okay, we open it. We open it like this. We open it first.
Okay.
But it's
Wow.
bigger than you. Can you play with it?
Yeah.
You really like it?
Okay, it's here now.
Grandpa will open it.
Okay, this one is coming out here.
Do I open it for you?
Coming out here.
Yeah, go give that. Carry that to Grandma.
Show. Is this
Oh,
yours?
wait,
We'll carry it for you.
Yeah, it's bigger
Oh, we got
than
to
you.
cut this. We got to cut it. Wait, I'll cut it.
Oh, we need scissors.
Yeah.
I need scissors.
Wow, Beckett, look. It's coming out.
Wow.
Wow. It's beautiful. Yeah.
Wow, Beckett.
Wow. Look at the big one.
What happened here?
Wait, Grandpa has to take
Oh,
his
this
time.
one. There's that. There's a.
Wait, Grandpa.
There you are.
We need the knife of Grandpa. Grandpa, we need your knife.
Okay.
Wow, I'm surprised Beckett is so calm.
Hey.
Wait, Nisha.
Wait.
Yeah, he does.
Where?
I don't know.
When was it?
Must be just today. Because it wasn't there yesterday.
We need
There
the
you are.
scissors, Grandpa.
Whoa, is that cool?
Grandpa, we need the pair of scissors. Wow, it's bigger than you.
Yeah.
What?
Wait, Grandpa
Oh,
will
wait,
cut it.
this one first. This one.
This one too, Grandpa.
Yay.
Look, Dad.
Here, Grandpa will help you, Beckett.
Okay, wait.
You gotta cut.
There were only 4 of them.
Wow.
Okay. Bring
Okay.
it down now. Bring it down.
Alright, carry your backhoe. Wow.
Now no fighting. You got 1 each. Huh?
Wow.
What?
You really like it?
What? Dad, what?
Make sure to say
Drink your grandma's
Dad,
Yeah, because that's your prize.
Dad,
Okay, very
That's
good.
your prize, being a good boy.
And drinking your
And drinking your
grandma shake. Kasi tumataba siya.
You have to, no, this one.
Do you not have the same one? Parang meron na.
no, we don't have that yet.
No, that one.
That backhoe seems to be their favorite these days.
Boys talaga. You like it, my Beckett?
It's hard to they keep turning their faces. I can't get their face.
Go down.
Hello. See, she's turning.
Other side also.
Hey Weston, can I see your face? Turn around real quick. Yeah. How do you like that backhoe? The scoop. Cool. Wow.
What time should we go?
Yes.
15. We go maybe press. Let me get your picture beside your car.
Okay, it's long enough video.